Hey everybody, this is MFHT and you're watching another unboxing today. In this episode, we're going to unbox the MagSafe Duo charger. This is the charger right here and this is how it's going to look like. So I'm pretty excited to unbox this for you because I have seen a lot of reviews and a lot of content on this particular charger. Yeah, so this is going to be one of the first videos in India where you're going to see the MagSafe Duo charger on YouTube. So sit tight and watch this video until the end. Alright, so we have the charger right here and the box comes in plain white. There's no other color like the recently launched AirPods Max. It would be interesting if Apple could add a few colors in this and probably even bring out a product red. So that would look cool and it would also appeal a lot of people to get this charger for themselves and their matching iPhones. So let's go ahead and unbox this right away. We have the peel sticker right here, so I don't have the unboxing knife today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this for you. Alright, so the wrapper's off. We have the box right here. Let's take it off and see what we get inside the box. This is going to take a moment. I love doing this, guys. This is the favorite part of my job. So the box is off and you have the charger right here. This looks cool. So we have the charger right in front and this is how it looks. Let me give you a close-up. This is supposed to be the charging point for the phones and this is for the Apple Watch. So you have like a two-in-one design where you charge your phone and your Apple Watch. Alright, another interesting fact about this charger is that this little puck right here can go up like this and you have a kickstand for your Apple Watch. It's got quite a heft to it. It's a little heavy because it's got all these coils piled up here in the charger, in the back of the charger, and this is a very different kind of a design. I must say the white color will appeal to a lot of people, but over the years I'm not sure how it's going to hold up. So that's another interesting thing to look out for. The most interesting part about this is that it's MagSafe. So as you all know, the iPhone 12 series now come with the magnetic back and they just cling onto this part. It gives an interesting sound and it holds up firmly. But another disappointing thing is that it has a lightning connection here, which is still Apple-like. So if you have a lightning cable in your house, you can just use that. And what else do we get with this charger? We get a USB-C to lightning cable and then we have the regular user guide, but no Apple stickers this time. Alright, so there's nothing else in this box. We don't really get anything apart from the charger and the cable. I wish Apple would include the 20 watt or a 5 watt charger at least, so that the users could get something to charge with. So this is the iPhone charger that I got with the iPhone this year. So I'm going to use this brick with this charging device and let's see how it works. So you plug the USB-C end right here and you plug the lightning part right here. As you can see, that's it. Before we switch this on, I would like to take this wrapper off. And this wrapper off as well. It connects both the sides. So yeah, we have the charger right here. Let me quickly connect this. Okay, so this is connected to the power now. Before I set the phone and the Apple Watch right in for you to see, only thing that I would like to add on this is that if this charger would have a light, it would be great. It would be a great addition, because I mean, you won't even know if the charger is on or not. So sometimes you might forget to switch this on and you just keep your phone here and you might think that it's charging if you forget to see if that's a situation. But apart from that, I don't see anything else that this charger is lacking of. Let's quickly set my iPhone, which is right here, on the charging pad. So I'm going to give you guys a moment to listen to the charging sound, because it's very unique and it's something that I always look forward to when I charge my iPhone. And there's also a song that's been made on the MagSafe and the charging sound by Jonathan Morrison. I would recommend for you guys to check out his channel and his song, which I've linked below. So without further ado, let's put this in. Okay, now the second thing that I wanted to show you guys is the Apple Watch being charged here. So this is my Apple Watch Series 4. I haven't bought any latest Apple Watch because I'm waiting for a good upgrade, and I think this watch is holding up pretty well. So let's put this in and see how this looks like. Okay, the magnetic force is so much that as soon as I bring it close, it pulls. This is how it looks, guys. So you have the iPhone, you have the Apple Watch. You can charge both at the same time and not worry about having two chargers separately for both the devices. So this is going to save you a lot of trouble and a lot of hassle with wires and chargers. It's a neat and clean solution by Apple, but it's on the expensive side. If you have to go with another set of a charger, then I think you would like to go with something like a Belkin 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 charger, where they have a pretty good option of charging two phones and one Apple Watch. So I would recommend to check both the items out, but if it's an Apple deal, then I think you should go for this. It's a pretty good charger, it's very durable and it's very good. So I don't see any problem with it for now. Another thing that I wanted to show is that you can even lift this up. So once you lift this up, your Apple Watch will be charged like this, so that when it's near your bed, you can have it in a bedtime mode. Alright, so that's it from my side. We had the MagSafe Duo charger unboxed for you. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you like to see more videos, please do subscribe to the channel so that I can bring more content. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.